What's up guys, in this video I'm going to show you that how you can use Sora AI on your mobile phone. So let's jump into the video. What you need to do, first you have to open up your Chrome browser and you have to type Sora AI. Okay, after typing it you have to search this. After searching that you have to open this openai website. Then you can see here is the Sora AI. You can pretty much put a text on here and make videos from text. You can see here is a bunch of options, but currently Sora AI is not available for everyone. After testing some things, testing some tests on report and bugs, they will open it up for everyone to personal use. So after opening that, you can see is the safety option and prompt option, that all will be available for you for personal use. So please wait guys, after they will release the Sora AI for everyone publicly, you can use them. You can add any prompt here and you can make any video from here. I hope you find this video helpful guys. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like on this video and subscribe my channel for more video like this. Peace.